So here's how I do my little sanding strips. Double-sided tape, a cheap 1/4-inch tape measure cut into 5-inch strips. You end up with a nice sanding strip that's got a, don't turn a steel back on it. Okay, so what we do, just take the tape, stick it to something. Whoops. Two-sided, so it sticks to you too. Take the little strip of tape measure, stick it to on there. I do 2 at a time. Stick another one on there. Then you can cut it off and okay, just keep it rolling. I don't want to do this. There it is. And I have a piece of sandpaper already at 4.5 inches. Then you can just stick that on there. Get it mashed down. Take your razor knife and just hold it against the tape measure. Slice it right off. Alright, get the first side done there. Get that one cut very good. My blade's getting dull. Should snap it off, I guess. But I'm a cheapskate. I like to use them forever. Okay, switch blades. And just kind of do the same thing again. Take the other side. Put it on there. Tape measure back out, pull the old tape off. Get it about the same. Make sure it's stuck down really good now. Alright, voila. And then I usually take the blade, run it out a little bit. The screws won't bite into it if you leave that sticky tape on there. So I just slide the extra tape off. Then you've got the metal part exposed so that it sticks into your scroll saw really good. Then when you have one, once they're wore out, then you can just put your blade on there, just pull it out, do the other side. Alright, now it's ready to make a new one. Another thing I found, I had some really tight, I don't know what I did with my piece. I don't know what to call them. Anyway, it needed to be an 1/8 inch. I couldn't cut that, but I got an 1/8 inch chainsaw file, flattened the ends so that I could mount it up in the scroll saw. Works perfect for the finish sanding. Alright, thanks. Yeah.